Maintaining a healthy blood flow is essential for overall well-being. And for those who are at risk of blood clots, incorporating natural blood thinners into one's diet can be beneficial. While medical treatment is required for serious conditions, certain foods can help promote healthy circulation and prevent clot formation. Here, we explore some of the best natural food blood thinners that you can easily include in your diet. 1. Garlic. Garlic is often hailed for its numerous health benefits, and its ability to thin the blood is one of its most significant properties. The active compound, allicin, not only helps to lower blood pressure, but can also prevent the formation of blood clots. Incorporating garlic into your meals, whether raw or cooked, can add flavor and enhance your cardiovascular health. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and anticoagulant properties. Studies suggest that curcumin can inhibit platelet aggregation, reducing the risk of clot formation. Adding turmeric to your diet can be as simple as mixing it into soups, smoothies, or teas. It's not only a great blood thinner but also offers antioxidant benefits. 3. Ginger. Ginger is another powerful natural blood thinner. It helps to prevent blood clots by reducing platelet aggregation, similar to the way aspirin works. You can consume ginger in various forms, fresh, dried, or as a tea. A daily cup of ginger tea or incorporating ginger into your cooking can be an easy way to reap its health benefits. 4. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which is known to improve circulation and reduce blood clots. It works by stimulating blood flow and acting as a natural blood thinner. Adding cayenne pepper to your meals can give them a spicy kick while also contributing to better cardiovascular health. 5. Berries. Berries, particularly blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which can help reduce inflammation and platelet aggregation. These fruits are delicious, versatile, and can be enjoyed in smoothies, salads, or as a snack. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect addition to a heart-healthy diet. 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds, have natural blood-thinning properties. Omega-3s help to reduce the production of substances that lead to blood clotting. Regular consumption of these foods can support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 7. Dark chocolate. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate, particularly those with at least 70% cocoa, is rich in flavonoids that can help improve circulation and reduce the risk of clotting. While moderation is key, enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate can be a delightful way to enjoy health benefits. Conclusion: incorporating these natural food blood thinners into your diet can be a proactive approach to promoting heart health and reducing the risk of blood clots. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you are on blood-thinning medications. By combining these foods with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle choices, you can support your cardiovascular health effectively. Remember, small changes in your daily meals can lead to significant health benefits over time.